This video will illustrate the activities used to teach the basic science content vocabulary. These are the bricks upon which the science concepts will be built. These activities are done in an order that lends itself from least sophistication to most, but the variety of activities can be changed according to your needs. Not every activity needs to be done every week. Early in the week, after the basic vocabulary has been introduced, one of the activities is the picture match. These students are working in pairs, trying to match up the vocabulary word with the picture. They then justify to each other their decisions.
Why do you think this is astronomically good? Well, until you already said it shows. Okay. Yeah, there's AU. Yeah, it shows the distance between the sun and the earth.
At the end of the picture match day, the whole class comes back together for a review of the activity and a test if their concepts matched the pictures as appropriate. This is a chance for correcting any lingering misconceptions. Another day would have the possibility of a spelling pyramid or sentence generation. This is typically assigned as a homework from the night before. Students both spell the word, but they also use a sentence frame in order to create a description of select key vocabularies. Punctuation is important. Capitals and periods are emphasized to help with their language development. At the same time, students are encouraged to use existing vocabulary words from prior lessons as well. This next activity is called card game. This is where we have a group of students working at the table level. This particular vignette is going to show what was done the very first day. So these kids are just learning this activity now. So we have one group of students at their table and the rest of the class is standing around to observe how this is done. The first dealer draws a card and has the definitions at hand, and the other students try to answer what the definition is after they hear the word. The first person to do that gets the card, and then the play passes to the next person. Finally, we have charades. This is an activity where the students have about 10 minutes in their team to plan activities for up to 10 words, 6 new words and 4 older words from previous units. So they're planning their actions to illustrate how these particular words might be enacted so that the others can guess them. So this is the planning phase, and the students are talking about the ideas, the concepts, and how to illustrate things. Once they've decided on their particular actions for each of the 10 words in the pool, then individual students will be asked to act out for the whole class a particular word or phrase from them. This is when the students are trying to guess from each other's activities. Jeopardy is based on the traditional TV show, and this is where 2 teams each send up one representative to compete against each other.